You spoke about increasing retail participation in the debt capital markets. How do you see platforms like us helping that? Is it good for investors?
So there are two ways. One is the issuers focusing on getting more retail participation. Second, so far the retail participation in the bonds was lacking purely because the reason they don't have proper understanding about the market. They end up relying on a distributor or a sub-broker's mindset, and they never used to get the right pricing. The pricing at which they used to buy was never sellable.
Yeah.
Now the amount of platforms which have come up, it's about 20-25 platforms, and every moment the prices are kind of updating. They get the real market price. So for an investment of as low as 1,000 rupees, getting the price of a 10 crore rupee bond size ticket, the competition between the platforms is so intense that everybody wants to sell first. And in that process, like as you buy the airline tickets, you compare the prices for wherever you are getting the best, you go and buy that platform.
Yeah.
Same is the case with the retail investors. They are looking at prices with the all active platforms. Look at where they're getting the best deal, and they go and do the transaction with them. So this competition is going to eventually be good for the people as an investors class. You might be remembering that when it was a transactions in the over the counter for equity shares,
Yeah.
उसमें brokers का गाला होता था. If you are buying a share at
I
100
have seen a
rupees,
clip where like people are throwing and shouting
throwing and
across the
shouting,
floor.
right? So this is the way the retail dealings and all of that were happening phone pay, and they never know what is the right price of the payment. They think they've got it best price, but if you buy it yourself on the screen, you compare the prices, you get the best of the deal.
Yeah.
And that will eventually increase the volume. Look at the equity market volume in 1995
Versus today.
versus today. And look at the brokerages from 2% to 2 paisa.
Yeah.
And the lower the brokerage, higher the volume, will make the market happier, will make the volumes happier, larger, will eventually make the kitty and overall pie bigger. So the kind of work and efforts online platforms are doing is heartening. It will help market to grow a lot and will have a larger participation for the investors.
Investments in debt securities are subject to risks. Read all the offer related documents carefully.